Rust on the mailbox, paint on my jeans, Dad yelling supper across the evergreens. Bikes in the driveway, gravel in our knees. We thought the county line was all we'd ever need. Backroads and baseball fields, that's how I learned what home feels like. Sunburnt and steering wheels, passing that one red light at night. I grew up slow where the wild grass grows, thought the world stopped right outside of town. Backroads and baseball fields raised me up, then taught me how to leave somehow. High school bleachers, August in the air, hand-me-down jacket that you used to wear. Names in the oak tree, carved on a dare. We swore forever, knowing we'd never stay there. Backroads and baseball fields, that's how I learned what home feels like. Sunburned steering wheels, passing that one red light at night. I grew up slow where the wild grass grows, thought the world stopped right outside of town. Backroads and baseball fields raised me up and taught me how to leave somehow. I still hear the screen door slam, Mom humming to a gospel band. Every mile that I've gone past pulls me back to that patch of grass. Backroads and baseball fields, that's how I know what home feels like. Sunburn and steering wheels, driving back through that red light tonight. I grew up slow where the wild grass grows, turns out the world starts right inside this town.